Okay, Lacey, I'm really curious. What made you start doing this?
How the Laced Hair Foundation came about came from my own personal health journey. 8 years ago now, one morning I woke up and the whole left side of my face was really paralyzed. When I went into the ER, they found that I had a brain tumor that had a 10% survival rate. They said, you need to have brain surgery, but it's too risky, I'm too young. It was Christmas time. I was like, oh, if this would be my last Christmas with my kids, I would rather wait. But because we chose not to do the brain surgery, they still needed me to start treatments right away. And almost instantly, I started losing my hair. I owned an extension brand. I have an extension company. I knew that I would be okay. And all the women that were around me also getting infusion treatments, they all expressed, oh my gosh, I want to get some of those. It hit me that this is what I want to do and I want to help more people. I'm one of the lucky ones. It was just a brain tumor diagnosis and scare, and the brain tumor actually was multiple sclerosis.
I remember the moment I was in the shower, and I remember I was just washing my hair from after receiving 7 days of chemotherapy, and my hair was just falling out in chunks. And being able to have this opportunity to be able to have hair again is huge, because it's like you're getting your life back. It's that you're no longer just cancer. You're able to do the things that you love again with confidence. So now I'm in remission, and I'm finally being able to live my life with my 5 kids, with my husband, do my dancing at my dance studios. You know, anybody that's going through an illness or something in their life, that this is our why. You know, this is my why, and I'm just so grateful to be able to be here today.
My name is Lori Porter. About 22, 23 years ago, I was diagnosed with RA. Remember very clearly someone saying, Lord, it's only hair. And in the scheme of things, may have been only hair. I just didn't feel pretty anymore, so I didn't want to be in pictures and I didn't want to plan stuff because I felt so yucky and ugly. You weren't meant to hide behind other people because your hair isn't pretty, you know? You weren't meant for that. So if your loss of hair is stopping you from being who you were or who you know you are or who you want to show the world that you are, then come and get your hair, because there's nothing else. You know, there's no reason for you to hide in the back.
Fast forward, my business has been able to grow, and we've been able to now help hundreds of women through the Laced Hair Foundation. Something that's unique to the Laced Hair Foundation is wigs and wig toppers. The impact that I have seen for these women that are in the thick of their chemotherapy or their alopecia, it has been so amazing to see someone put that wig on and you can just see their faces radiating with confidence because of all of the amazing donations that we've gotten from the gala and people donating online, and it's been really incredible.